Hello everyone, how are you today? Welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to combine names in Excel. So let's open an Excel sheet and let's say we want to combine this first name and last name here. So first for that we have to select this insert function, and here from select a category we'll select all, and for the description of the function we will write concatenate. Here is the one, and now we'll just click on OK. Here you can add a text, and then now you have to, as we want to have some space between the names, so we will give an space in this section, and now we will select the last name. So, and you can add up to, as you can see, 255 texts to this function or to the names. After you add one, it will create a new box and it will be of 255 till 255. Well, now click on OK. As you can see that how easily the names are combined. So you don't have to copy and paste all the names one by one. You can put the formula with this. You can put the formula and have this beautiful combination together. And if you drag it down, you can have all the names of the of the thing, of the names as you want. So hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.